Now in this video we can see that get employee records whose salary is greater than 7,500. So in our criteria, two records, no, only one records is exists, so we can implement in a JPA. How to write? First of all, we cannot write manually query using find by method. We can achieve this with this data. So first of all, we get data in number of records. For that, find by salary. So our criteria is salary, so we can add field name salary, and field first character is capital, and that is a greater than salary. Okay, we can write here find by salary which is greater than, so we can write here, and that should be catch here employee repository, and find by salary. Double salary, and can return in a presentation here salary and salary. Okay, data types must be double. Now we can catch salary, and salary pass in existing method for tester it is working or not, and it is written here. Now we can start the application and check out which is working or not. Application started, and now here we pass double value, okay, 75,000, and we can catch here one record is greater than 75,000 salary. So we can cross verify here it is or not. Now we can here ascending descending here 7,500, and only one records is available greater than 75. Now we can pass here 5,500 in here, and now see, so 6,500, 7,500, 9,600, 3 records available. So that's it.